Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is Christina and today I want to show you how I do my skincare routine at home during the quarantine. You do not have to use the same products as I do, just as long as you use them in the same order, you'll be fine. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Okay, let's do it. I'm using this hairband to keep my baby hairs away from the face, and I like using sponges. This one comes with Clear Skin Cleansing Bar by Urban Skin. I moisten sponge and I'm creating a creamy leather. Just like that, and I like to pick up some good amount of this product. This is the ideal 3-in-1 cleanser, mask and exfoliator. Controls oil and improves appearance of pore size and blemishes. Helps promote a healthy complexion and even skin tone, free of fragrance, parabens, toxins, and sulfates. I massage product all over my face and just making sure that I get it everywhere. I like using a sponge because I feel like it works better than hands and scrubs my face really good. But at the same time, I'm not pressing too hard not to damage my skin. Now rinse it off. For my next step, I'm using 3-in-1 clay by Garnier with brown face brush. I like to apply it first on my brush and then go from there on my face. I turn the brush on when I'm ready to massage the product into my skin. Exfoliating is a very important step in your skincare. Whatever method you choose, chemical, known as peels, or mechanical, known as scrubs, lotion with abrasive materials, they all help you to purify the clogged pores, get rid of dead and rough skin, and boost collagen production. I love this 3-in-1 clay because you can use it as your main face wash every day. It will remove oil and dirt. You also can use it as a scrub twice a week to unclog pores, and the best part is you can use it as a mask once a week to absorb oil and mattify your skin. I think this thing is amazing. I just go like this all over my face with the brush and making sure that I get the product everywhere. I love to concentrate on my T-zone because this is the most where I have like blackheads or white pores. This product is the mask, so obviously it dries out. Once I felt like it's already drying out, I just added some water on the brush and went all over again. Of course, don't forget about your jawline because it's super important. After I'm done, I always wash my face with the warm water because it helps my pores to open up, so my next step, which is mask, can penetrate way more better. Now just look how it mattified the skin. I'm using Glow Skin Beauty Phyto-Active Firming Mask. That's how it looks like, and it feels super soft and for some reason warm when you apply on your face. I like applying it with my hands, but you can do the same thing with a brush. I apply a thin layer and I also try to massage it. I don't know why, I just like to massage everything into my face. I'm just making sure I get it everywhere, just like so. Even the area between your lips and nose is fine. I'm just making sure that I stay away from the eyes. After you're done, just leave it for 10 minutes. While waiting for the mask, don't forget about lips. They need some treatment too. I'm using Smoothing Lip Polish by Skin Glow and Beauty. I apply a small amount to lips and gently massage it. This lip polish perfectly preps your lips and locks in moisture with an ultra conditioning polish formula. Sugar crystals gently scrub while sweet almond oil and shea butter leave your lips soft, smooth and conditioned. Let's rinse it off. Now look at that. I'm using all the Henriksen Glow 2OH Dark Spot Toner. I tap on my face first and then just swipe it in circular motion. This toner is supposed to brighten your skin due to high concentration of glycolic and lactic acids. I know a lot of you like to use toner after exfoliation part, but I like to use toner after the mask before I move on to serums and moisturizers. It's just my preference and I feel like it makes a little bit more sense. I let it dry before I move to the next step. I'm using Contour Eye Lift by Glow Skin Beauty. I'm applying it just like so. We all know that less is more. With my middle and ring finger, I like to massage the product around my eyes. Contour Eye Lift is an ultra-soothing, silky formula that delivers long-lasting hydration to the tissue surrounding the eyes. I like this product because it can be applied daily and it's great for day and night use. And it's suitable for all skin types. I'm making sure I'm getting the product everywhere where it's supposed to go, and I like to go just a little bit, slightly tiny bit further from the eyes. So I'm just massaging this area, just like that, nice and firm motions. After that, I just like to tap tap tap, and we can move on to lips. I'll be using Berry Balm from Glow Skin Beauty. This product is multi-use balm that helps shield skin against water loss. It's excellent for extremely dry or chapped skin anywhere on your body. It's vitamin C time, so I'm using Daily Power C by Glow Skin Beauty. I apply it directly to my skin, like 3 or 4 drops, just like that. And by massaging, I'm depositing the product all over my face, just like that. Vitamin C is super important for your skin and you should be using daily. Vitamin C acts as your daily antioxidant to protect skin against environmental damage. I'm also applying whatever product left on my hands. I'm applying it on my neck by massaging it just like that, and I don't like to drag my hands down my neck. I usually do it up for, like, some lifting effect. I also like to add some firm, nice pressure and just make sure my product dries out before I apply the next thing. Daily Hydration Serum by Glow Skin Beauty. It comes together with vitamin C, so you just get like a little nice bundle with 2 serums, and this is the second step. This product I like to warm up with my fingers and just tap 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 all over my face. When I feel like it's nice and even everywhere, I just go over and massage it again, but kind of like slightly touching, like not too much, because you don't want to like rub the product into your face. Air drying before moisturizer. Oil-free moisturizer for my somewhat oily skin by Glow Skin Beauty. Just like previous step, I'm doing the same thing, warming it up and just apply it on my face just like that, with a little bit of massage. This oil-free moisturizer delivers lightweight moisture with antioxidants. It contains hyaluronic acid, so if you feel that your face, your skin is a little bit oily, you might like this product. So this is the final massage for my face. I'm just finally like lifting it, looking for the pressure points, and yeah, that will be almost it. Final air dry. I'm using protecting powder. It has SPF 20, as you figured, by Glow Skin Beauty. I think I just love this brand. By the way, this is a medical brand, so why not? This is a dust on loose powder with a self-dispensing brush. After all that shine, this powder will make my face look more dewy. It's so simple and easy to use, and the cap will always protect the brush from any kind of bacteria. I like to go extra, so I'm just adding more product. And do not be afraid, this is the translucent, so you're not gonna look too pale. They also have makeup line, and it is great for the everyday use. This is my final step and I am done with my skincare routine. I usually do something like this once a week. So this is how it looks, and it feels just as good. It feels super smooth and soft. If you enjoyed watching this video, like and subscribe so I can create more of a beauty related content. Don't forget to comment your favorite skincare product down below.